On day 28, I spent a good chunk of the day with Doug in Lake Arrowhead. We got some delicious pizza. Doug just dropped me off at the third gate in Cedar Glen, and it's sad to say goodbye. Our visit was too short. It was really nice to see Doug. To be honest, yesterday was kind of stressful, doing all my resupply chores and also trying to spend some time with Doug, and just knowing that our visit was gonna end so soon. I'm walking on the road back the 1.5 miles or so to the PCT. I'm not gonna hike very far today because it's already after 2:30. Doug got me a couple of extra items to bring. So if you can see here, he got me this spray bottle. So this section is going to be quite hot. So not a ultralight item, but might be a health and safety item to help me stay cool. He also brought me a neck knife that we've had for a while. He wanted me to wear it. He feels better about my safety if I wear it. So I'm going to give it a try. I was able to get the insoles and the tape that Blaze Physio recommended, and the tape does help my knee feel a little bit better. And I've got those Super Feet hike insoles in my new Ultra Lone Peaks, and they feel good so far. Back at Splinter's cabin, day use area. Using the picnic facilities in the shade, and I'm gonna have a little jerky and cheese wrap. Gone about 1.5 miles, and it's just a little bit further to rejoin the PCT. Back at the bridge. I'm back at the PCT now. It's already close to 4, but I'd like to hike a little bit more today. I'm walking along the canyon of Deep Creek for a while. There's a plant I keep getting whiffs of that smells like buttered mashed potatoes. Anybody know what it is? I passed 300 miles. I'm at 301.5, and I didn't see a sign, so I don't know if there was one. I missed it. But anyway, 300 miles. Got some water here, even though I'm following the canyon of Deep Creek. The creek is often far below the trail. These are really cool. Haven't seen these before. There's a bench and a bridge. I don't think there's any water flowing under the bridge at the moment. Let's see. Nope. That helicopter's been flying back and forth here for a while, and I wonder what's going on. Was just involved in another rescue, and my face is completely covered in dirt from helicopter rotor wash. So I'll tell you more about that when I get to camp, because it's getting late and I want to get a campsite before dark. This is gonna be home for tonight. Here's the inaugural setup of my new tent. It's noticeably narrower. I am gonna wash my face in a minute. Before it's completely dark, I wanted to share what happened. I was hiking and I came upon a woman who was sitting on the trail, and she said that she had fallen off the side. It was really steep and washed out, and she was waiting for rescue. So that explains the helicopter that I had seen flying around earlier. I offered to sit with her and wait until her rescue arrived. Eventually, the San Bernardino sheriff rescue team, like a medic, came and dropped down and packaged her up, and then they hoisted her out and took her to get medical care. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my face and eat my dinner and go to bed. I will see you tomorrow.